Welcome to Sir Kailash Chandra Short and Dictation. Transcription number 463 back. 500 words. Ready? Start. To improve the management of our land and water resources. During the next 5 years, irrigation waters will be made available on an assured basis to an additional 1 crore hectares of land in the command areas of canal projects. The authorities concerned will be held responsible for water reaching the farmers in assured quantities and at the right time. Also, 10 lakh tubewells and dugwells are to be constructed every year, and 5 lakh hectares will be covered annually for the program of designating and maintenance of village tanks and ponds. Second, the productivity of unirrigated land is to be enhanced through effective watershed development and moisture conservation. This program will extend to 50 lakh hectares during the 10th plan. Third, 25 lakh hectares of barren land will be reclaimed at the rate of 5 lakh hectares a year. We need not wait for the commencement of the 8th plan to take up these projects. A beginning should be made this year itself. Plastic culture holds vast potential for increasing agricultural productivity. The usage of plastic are many, especially in irrigation, storage, and packaging. Existing the plastic culture schemes will be substantially expanded. It is proposed to extend incentives for the installation of sprinkler of drip irrigation systems to all farmers. During the 10th 5-year plan, 1 lakh additional sprinkler systems and 1 lakh drip irrigation systems will be installed to optimize the use of scarce water resources. Good seeds are the basic foundation of higher agricultural productivity. The new seed policy is under implementation, and the buffer stock being built will ensure that Kisans have access to high quality seeds and planting material at reasonable costs. We are particularly concerned about small marginal and SC/ST farmers. With effect from Rabi 1999-2000, supply of improved seeds will be ensured. Agricultural research is simply not getting the attention or priority it needs. We are reconstituting the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, and I shall take over as its president. We have two major objectives in mind. First, we propose to generate appropriate technologies for each subzone of the 15 agroclimatic zones so as to able to modernize our agriculture in each of the zones. Second, a special time bound program in research and development of hybrids is being taken up to cover rice, maize, jawar, bajra, harar, cotton, and oilseeds. Results will be demanded within 5 years, and the implementation of the research program will be monitored at the highest level. To promote the manufacture of agricultural machinery and implements of improved design, particularly those using new and more efficient materials. A special fund is being established to extend credit for the manufacture, fabrication, and marketing of such machinery and implements, as also for the leasing or hiring of such machinery and implements, plant protection equipment, and sprinklers, for adding value to primary produce of the farmer, as also expanding employment opportunities in rural areas. It is necessary to encourage agro-based industries, particularly food processing. Full stop.